Hello class, this is your instructor for the course ME2535 Procedural Coding. I'm trying to show you what you need to do for your discussion one since due to certain changes in the curriculum, we have different expectations from you and I really want you to get the maximum points in the discussion. So in week one, you're going to go to your week one discussion page right here. And before you click on your actual posting area, I want you to read the discussion instructions right here. And you can see that you have a discussion expectation posted right here. And it has a 3-step plan. The first step is just an overview of what we are talking about in this discussion post, which you must read. And then this step number 2 and 3 is actually what you have to do. So step 2 right here says this is your initial post, right? Make sure you understand that. And you have to answer all 3 questions. All 3 questions is introducing yourself so people know who you are, and you are explaining your personal or professional background and why you are interested in healthcare career. All answers, please, because you do not want to get a partial grade on it. Number 2 asks you if you were an employer and interviewing a potential candidate to hire for your workplace in a medical office, what are some of the things that you would like for in a candidate? And remember, it says support your answer to the job description. A job description is something that when you go online, find a job, it will state that under it. So go online, look for a medical assisting post or a job. When you click onto it, it will give you a job description, and you can use that information to post and answer all the questions here. Number 3 asks you if you were an employer, what important skills or concepts from this course should a candidate master for a career success? Remember, this is a CPT coding class. Remember, so you have to make sure you add something in relation to that. Where will you get this information from? You are getting this in your course objectives. It says that. Look at the course objectives to make connection. So let me show you where that is. When you go to your main menu, I want you to go to Getting Started right here, right? This is your first page, main menu, Getting Started. You will scroll down a little bit and you will see Syllabus. Under that, click on View Syllabus. And this is where all the information is posted. Your course description, the name of all the books you should have, and your course objectives right here. These are the things necessary for the person applying for a job to know everything so they can be productive in your office. All right? Make sure you answer all these questions using the help that I have just provided for you. Now, your replies, remember your main initial post is due by Wednesday, 11:59. Don't forget, please. And then by the next Sunday, you're supposed to reply to 2 separate classmates or me, your instructor, and make sure you select at least 2 of the following prompts, which is 3 questions given here. And remember, review them because they're not just any replies. They're in reference to certain questions they're asking you for. So the first question says, choose a classmate's discussion. So you're reading their discussion, and then you're explaining some other things that an employer may look for in a candidate. Now, it depends whose discussion you're reading and what they're talking about, but you are trying to add these 3 questions to your answers to different people. All these questions do not have to be answered to one person, but you can use these 2, or 2 out of 3 has to be answered. Remember, it says 2 out of the following prompts, at least 2. So either you can answer 2 people with 1 each question, okay? So 1 question for each student or each classmate, and you can still do 2 answers to the same person, but you will have to have 2 replies to 2 different people. So don't forget that, and make sure you have this in your information. Just keep this page, take a screenshot of this page when you're doing your discussion, because you might forget the question. Once you have it in front of you, you can answer it better. So keep an eye on it, take a screenshot on your phone or maybe just take a screenshot at the bottom of your computer, just to keep an eye on it. Like sometimes when I have to remember something, I will open up my snipping tool and I will just take a quick screenshot here. So now the snipping tool stays with me. I can keep it hidden under the nav bar at the bottom. So when I need it, I will just open it up again, and here are all my questions to keep an eye on. Okay? So if any questions, I really want you to stay in touch with me. I have my numbers posted everywhere, and I want you to use those texts to keep in touch with me for any questions, any help. Right? Let me show you. My text number is always here somewhere. Oh, I can't find it now. Here it is. So I say that everywhere on every post. Please, please, please text me for any question, and I do respond to your text as quickly as I can. Okay, so keep in touch with me for any questions. I will look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.